Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to fix Airtel Uganda SIM card not working abroad in any country, UAE, United States, but mainly UAE. Those people living in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, UAE, all the countries in UAE, Qatar, Jordan, all those countries. And you went with your SIM card, but it is saying no service. So we're going to follow these steps so that you can restore your network on that particular SIM card. So first step, you're going to open your phone settings, and once you open your phone settings, you're going to go to connections, and once you go to connections, you're going to come where you see mobile networks, and once you tap mobile networks, you're going to come and choose your Airtel Uganda SIM card. Mine is in 2. No, you're going to come where you see network operators, and mine is Airtel SIM 2. You're going to turn off set automatically, and if you have a different device from mine, you're going to tap manual select. Now, once you tap manual select, they're going to bring you those networks in that particular country. For example, if you're in Dubai, they will bring you Etisalat. They can bring you STC for Saudi Arabia. You're going to tap any of those networks. Mine, I'm in Uganda, but they're bringing me these ones. Tap any of those, like I'll choose Airtel Uganda, but if you're in other countries, tap the network that they have brought you. And then by doing that, you will be registered on that particular network, and your Airtel Uganda SIM card will start working again. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maru's Tech and I sign out.